wire not working. Nothing's turning on here. So I'm going to go through testing a few things. Pull the cover down. With these, you pull down the lever right here and then tip the deal forward. Just grab it with my pliers, pull it down and forward. Once on each side. The other side wasn't connected. It appears like it kind of came apart. Probably going to need to vacuum this out here. It's looking pretty bad. Got a lot of dust in there. Okay, we're live here. We got power. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off at the breaker. This one labeled washer and dryer. Better double check. Make sure. Yep. Good. No power. Okay. So what we want to do is test a few things here. We're going to want to test our dryer switch to make sure we have continuity there, which is right here. And it'll be continuity only when we push the button. So here's our multimeter. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it. So here's our leads. We'll touch them together and make sure we're reading. We are there. We got the sweep of the needle. Okay. So now checking our switch dryer button here. When we push the button, see I went to 0 ohms. No resistance there. So that's working properly. Next will be our little intermittent switch right here. We'll check that. And this should have continuity across it. Show some resistance here. And it does. Here's the new one I had. And that's okay. Showing continuity there. Okay. Here's our 2 black wires on our timer. And we're showing continuity there because the unit is turned on. If I turned it to off, we should have no continuity between the leads. And we should have no continuity. And then when I turn it to on, we should get continuity. So our timer's working. Our timer's fine. So it may be our thermal switches that are out. And those are on the back of the machine. Everything else seems normal here. Just the unit's not starting. And it doesn't even try to start. It doesn't buzz or anything. It means I need to get to the back of the machine. So I'm going to put this cover back on. Okay, this side needs a bit of a repair. So let's see if I can get that back down where it should be. This piece goes on around inside this flap here. There we go. Now I should be able to latch both sides. Okay. I'll show you here. On this side, we got to pull this down, and then we can push in the front cover. There we go. That side's good. And the other side. That one's still a little tough. Let's see what's going on there. It's being a little punk is what it's doing. Yeah, I got it. Alright. Now on this side, just pull down, push in, let it go. Okay. That's kind of good because this side controls the washing machine.